What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Australia. It's really good to be home. For the last couple of days, I have been quite jet lagged, been really tired after the 20 odd hour flight home from London. But it's really good to be home and get back into routine and start delivering everyday videos again, some value videos back to you guys. So wanted to talk today. I did a post on Facebook this morning and there was a quote, and it was the pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. And I guess I've always been that optimist that's seen opportunity in every difficulty, that's seen opportunity in everything that I do. Like, how can I improve my life? Like, what can come out of this? Like, what if? Like, always looking at what if this works. Whereas, like, I guess what kind of personality are you? Like, are you skeptical about everything that you do? Are you living the life where you're maybe a little bit unhappy, but you're sort of stagnant, like you're not making any moves? Because there's opportunity everywhere. And doesn't have to be with me, doesn't have to be with the SFM and online business opportunity that I do, but have a look around. There is opportunities everywhere, all through the online space and offline, but especially in the online space with the digital economy, the advance in technology, the way that we're thriving with the internet and online business. Like, you can sell anything online. You don't need your own warehouses, you don't need your own stores, you don't need your own products, you don't need anything of your own to make a multiple 6 or 7 figure business. You can go online, source a product from China that someone else has made, put a logo on it, a brand, and sell it on Amazon, $1 billion company selling your product on your behalf, and make commission and sell it to anyone in the world 24/7, all around the world, doing whatever you want. How is that not opportunity? How can you not see an opportunity in that, right? So I wanted to talk about this quote. It's so powerful about being an optimist, being resourceful, about believing in yourself. Like, if you're not where you want to be, find people that are living the life that you want to live. Number one tip is find mentors and find people that are that are living the life that you want to live, that are doing what you want to do. If you don't know where to start, you don't know how to do it, invest in yourself. You need to spend time and money in yourself, in your education, in your knowledge, in your circle of influence, in mentors, getting coached, getting trained, up-leveling your skills and your belief to create your success. You don't have to know the whole staircase. Just take the first step. You don't need to know how to run the whole business. You don't know how to source all your products. Just start with investing in yourself. Buy a program, buy a course, find a mentor, a coach, and just start. And the rest of the way will light up for you. It'll be shown to you. You'll learn as you go. We don't just know everything before we start. We don't run before we crawl. We don't know maths before we go to school and learn maths, for example. So yeah, this video was just really take the opportunities. Take it. Find a way to be an optimist and to see opportunity in everything that you do. And if you're not where you want to be, find a way to get where you want to be. Surround yourself with the right people. Reach out to me if you want. Reply to my email. Reach out to me on social media. If you're serious about making change in your life, make the change. Reach out to the people that can help you. Don't be afraid to ask for help. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it for today's video. So go ahead, be an optimist, do something that you wouldn't normally do, take some action and start achieving what you want to achieve in your life. All right, guys, talk soon.